In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the variable valve time intake solenoid on your Kia Optima. Located under the hood in front of the vehicle, let's get started. The sensor is located right over here, so to give us more room, I'm going to go ahead and remove this hose. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, go ahead and pull back on the clamp. Take this hose out. Just move it out of the way. Next up, we're going to disconnect this. So go ahead and pull on the tab and take it out. Next up, we're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to be removing that one bolt. So go ahead and do that. Take the bolt off. And now we should be able to remove the solenoid. But before we do so, depending on how long the vehicle has been parked, there might be some oil coming out of the hole. What I will do, I will put a rag right underneath the solenoid. And this is just to catch any oil that might come out of here. Now that you have that rag right there, go ahead and start wiggling the solenoid side to side to kind of break that seal off. And as you do so, you want to start pulling this way. And here's the old one. And here we have the new one. Before we go ahead and install it, what I like to do, I like to put some silicone paste around the seal. This is just to help it slide in place. Do not overdo this. You just want a little bit. And now with your finger, go around the whole seal, making sure that it's nice. Making sure that it's nice and lubricated. Now we can go ahead and install a solenoid. Making sure that you go in straight. Go ahead and push it in. Line it up with the hole. And reinstall it. And reinstall the bolt. Go ahead and get it snug. And now we can go ahead and torque that bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Remove your rag. Reinstall the connector. Go ahead and line it up, push it in, and just give it a light tug just to make sure that it is in place. And now we can reinstall the valve cover hose. And now we can reinstall the valve cover hose. Push it in. And reinstall the clamp.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.